Portis Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Portis Crypto Wallet is a unique, user-friendly, and non-custodial wallet designed for both beginners and experienced crypto users. The key feature of Portis is its seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, allowing users to interact with the blockchain directly from their browser without needing to install any extensions or software. This makes it ideal for users who want to dive into the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, and other blockchain-powered platforms without the typical hassle of managing multiple wallets or dealing with complex interfaces. One of the standout features of Portis is its easy onboarding process. Unlike other wallets that require complex setups, Portis allows you to create an account using just an email and password, making it accessible even to those who are new to cryptocurrency. Once your account is set up, you can access your wallet from any device with internet access, providing flexibility and convenience that many other wallets lack. Additionally, because Portis is non-custodial, you maintain full control over your private keys, ensuring that your funds are always secure. Portis also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and various ERC-20 tokens, allowing you to manage all your assets in one place. Its integration with popular dApps means you can easily participate in token swaps, staking, lending, and more, directly from your wallet interface. The wallet also has built-in support for Web3, ensuring compatibility with the latest blockchain technologies and providing a future-proof solution for your crypto needs. The wallet's intuitive design and robust security features, such as two-factor authentication and encryption, make it a strong contender in the crowded wallet market. It's particularly well-suited for users who want a straightforward yet powerful tool to manage their crypto assets without compromising on security or functionality. However, it's worth noting that while Portis is an excellent choice for everyday crypto users, those who need advanced features like multi-signature wallets or hardware wallet support might find it lacking. In conclusion, Portis Crypto Wallet is a versatile and user-centric option that delivers a perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. Whether you're new to the crypto space or looking for a reliable wallet that integrates smoothly with dApps, Portis is definitely worth considering. Make sure to understand its features fully before using it, as it could be the tool you need to enhance your crypto experience.